To create users and groups in Azure Active Directory, Azure Ad, you can follow these general steps. Sign into the Azure portal, portal.azure.com, with your Azure Ad Administrator account. In the Azure portal, navigate to the Azure Ad service. You can search for Azure Active Directory in the search bar and select the appropriate result. Once in the Azure Ad service, select Users from the left-hand menu to manage users. To create a user, A. Click on the New User button. B. Provide the required information, such as username, name, and password for the user. C. Configure any additional settings as needed, such as group assignments, licenses, and roles. D. Click Create to create the user. To create a group, A. Click on the New Group button. B. Provide a name, description, and other relevant details for the group. C. Configure any additional settings, such as membership and group owners. D. Click Create to create the group. Once you have created users and groups, you can manage their properties, assign roles, and configure access permissions based on your requirements. Please note that the specific steps and options may vary slightly depending on the version of Azure Portal or Azure Ad that you are using. It's always recommended to refer to the official Azure documentation for the most up-to-date and accurate instructions.